Alright, welcome to a new video guys, and in this video we'll be mixing some commercial music, and the way of DJing is still the same. For the first two tracks we'll be using a tempo which is 180 and the other song is in 90. So, oh yeah, this is not the actual track. Yeah, this is the track which is Right and Dirty. Now, it's at 90. So half of 180 is 90 and twice of 90 is 180. So you can still mix in and out of the tracks smoothly. You can beat match them and do it. Now, to mix your commercial music, we have a simple concept to apply regardless of what language of genre it is. If you're playing commercial originals, then or your hip hop, pop, anything, the best way to transition is wait for the chorus to come in of your track 1 or track A, and then at the chorus you start the track B or track 2 intro. Understand the length of your chorus. Is it 8 bars, 16 bars, 12 bars? And according to that, start the track and transition at the point where the chorus is finishing. Now, let's do this. The chorus is about to begin. Now, once the beat matching is done, get the volume slowly up, wait for at least 4 bars, and then start cutting the low. And now we go into the next track. Now, over here I did cut a little bit of mids as well, so that when the transition goes to the next track, if in case the vocals come in, it doesn't really leak into it. Okay, so next we'll go into the next track, which is Hear Your Hearts. Now this is also in the BPM of 90, but we'll be playing it at 90 only, so yeah.
I'm living life now that I'm free, yeah. Told me get my shit together, now I got my shit together, yeah.
Now again at the chorus we start the next track, and another important thing over here, I put a hotkey marker and I started because the intro is longer than 8 bars. Now the chorus about to begin. Now let's do this.
The pain is gone. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride. I'm heading out tonight.
So wait again for the 4 bars of the chorus to play. Now start bringing the other track in.
Feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm body cloud 9, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo.
Increase the mids over here because the vocals are not that popping out. And then once it begins, see, it's getting louder. Bring the mid back in. Now again, the next track, the last track, Cheap Thrills.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off?
Now, who doesn't like this track?
Else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage?
Now, the same concept again over here. When the chorus comes in, you start. And please tell me you guys know the chorus of this track, man. This is like my favorite track.
Girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that.
Now, if you want to get a little bit creative, you have to understand what is music theory. So over here, we have 2 tracks. We have set the tempo, and the second important thing are they are in the relevant key or in a similar key. So what we can do, cut the low, get the volume up, and now we have this tune of the Cheap Thrills playing on top of the chorus. And now be ready to again transition.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bunks with it, girl.
So that's how we do this. It came fucking amazing. I loved it. But yes, over here again, if you want to do something like this, you do need to have a lot of understanding of what is a chorus, what is a verse, what is intro, what is the keys, what are the Camelot key system. Again, once you understand all of these things, everything will be a lot easier to mix in and out of the tracks. Every song will have a verse, chorus, intro, verse and chorus in your commercial tracks, regardless of what language it is. English, Hindi, Telugu, pop, Latin, Spanish, Russian, any language. They all follow this structure. Intro, which is usually an instrumental intro. Now, if you want to mix more smooth in and out of the tracks, you'll find online sources where, like in these tracks, we have intro beats, which is usually not there in your commercial music. So what we can do, you go on these websites like BPM Supreme, it's a paid subscription, but you do get tracks with intros and outros so that us DJs can transition in and out of the tracks smoothly without ever having to worry. Now, second thing, if you don't really know, if you can't really afford to take this, try online sources like DJ Slick as another guy who makes extended mixes of commercial tracks. It's all the same original music, but he adds a little bit of intros and outros. You will definitely find sources online. But the best source and the cleanest source, high quality source is BPM Supreme. Then there's MP3 Pool. You can check out their subscriptions, channel page, prices, I guess, yeah. But anyways, coming back to this, thank you for watching. If you all enjoyed this, please make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. And also check out our website if you want to learn more about DJing. All the course detail. If you want to do online, we have classes online. If you want to do offline in Hyderabad, we are available in Hyderabad. So make sure you check out our website for all the course details, pricing and the curriculum as well. So I hope to see you soon. Let's go.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Chop it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Up into the thing you ever